Hello, everyone. So, whenever there is a topic of money, we all feel certain kind of negative emotions. Emotions like fear, disappointment, a lot of anxiety and panic around money. But do you think while having these emotions, will money get attracted to us or will it get pushed away from us? Obviously, जिस इमोशन में हम हैं वी आर डेफिनेटली इन द नेगेटिव एनर्जी एंड व्हेन वी आर इन दैट नेगेटिव एनर्जी हाउ वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट money to be around. But today I'm here to basically tell how my journey with money, or how basically I built my relationship with money in a very loving way from this fearful kind of relationship. But before moving to the steps or moving to that tips, I want you guys to know exactly what is the root cause of this fear, what is the root cause of this pain and negative emotion, and what exactly we can do. वो तो बाद में, but ये इसका शुरुआत आया कहाँ से? What is exactly the root cause? So if I have to tell you the root cause, it simply starts from your childhood. If you are somebody who has seen a lot of fights, who has seen a lot of struggle, who has seen a lot of drama and chaos in your home in front of your eyes, then definitely your system, your nervous system actually still holds this feeling towards money. Your subconscious mind is totally like programmed around money. You have a certain kind of emotions fixed for money, and this is not your mistake. ये आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ इसीलिए आपके अंदर पैसे को लेकर की ऐसी भावना, ऐसी इमोशन आई है. नंबर टू, the society. So while we were growing up, society had a lot of basically role to play for our relationship with the money. So हम सभी के साथ कुछ ना कुछ बिलीफ जो है वो बहुत कॉमन है रिगार्डिंग मनी, विच वी हैव बीन गिवन फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. Belief systems like money is limited resource, like money is not in abundance, money is a limited resource, money comes only through work or struggle or hard work. uh, Person or people who have money, people who hold money are the evil people, are basically the bad people. So something I call the bogus beliefs. These are those beliefs which have been given by society to us for the longest period of time, and while we were growing up. So obviously our subconscious mind is like programmed towards money. But thankfully we know that the emotions which we will have towards money will decide that whether money is going to come to us, or we are the ones who's going to push away the money from us. वेल मेरे साथ भी यही चीज़ थी. मेरे को भी पैसे को लेकर के बहुत सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस ही पहले आते थे. बट स्लोली एंड स्टेडली व्हेन आई हैड माय ओन जर्नी विथ मनी, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मनी बिल्डिंग relationships, then in a very few tips and tricks I got very loving relation. I have a very loving relationship with money, which I slowly and steadily built around money. So number one thing, what exactly I did और कहाँ से मैंने शुरुआत किया. सबसे पहली शुरुआत जिसके बारे में I was telling you very now, that the society that has given us a very bogus set of belief system. Firstly, I worked on those limiting beliefs around money. I first checked, क्या ये जो बिलीफ सिस्टम हमको दी गई है क्या ये वाकई में सच है? इज दिस रियली ट्रू? ऑल दीज बिलीफ सिस्टम्स आर रियली ट्रू और दे आर मेकिंग no sense at all? Thanks to my inner work, in which I basically started listening to people who were in a certain kind of like lack, debt, but now they are doing like excellent job, they are so successful, they are so rich in their life. I started listening to those people, I started reading books, on money. Especially when I started doing my inner work around money, total belief got changed. एंड तब मुझे समझ में आया कि कितना गलत हमें बताया गया है, सोसाइटी ने हमें कितना कुछ गलत बताया है. एंड द मोमेंट आई shifted my negative belief to positive belief, I started giving myself a lot of evidence around my positive belief system. For example, one of the positive belief which I made, and which is actually true, that money doesn't only come from one source. जो हमें बताया गया है कि money comes only through job. No, money comes from 10,000 lakh of ways. It's not, it's money who will decide how money wants to come to you. So money is not a limited thing जो कि एक ही तरीके से आएगा. Money इस दुनिया में, इस ब्रह्मांड में limited resource नहीं है. Money is in abundance. So I had a lot of people and their example and their success stories on the internet, which actually helped me to build my strong belief systems, positive belief systems around money. And this way I actually removed the first and the foremost blockage around money, which was actually creating a lot of fear around money, which was creating a lot of disappointment around money. So I started working for my belief system. Number two, which is a very weird way, but I would say it's my interesting way of building the relationship with the money, is that I started treating money as a human being. Yes. So basically, I imagine that money is sitting just beside next to me, just like मेरे बगल में बाजू में ऐसा एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड की तरह एक इनविजिबल फिजिकल ह्यूमन बीइंग जो मेरे साथ हमेशा 24 घंटे, हमेशा बचपन से लेकर आज तक है. दिस एनर्जी who I call my best friend is invisible best friend who has always done his best friend का job. Now when I say best friend, हम बेस्ट फ्रेंड किसको बोलते हैं? व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ दैट बेस्ट फ्रेंड लुक्स लाइक? द वन हु सपोर्ट्स यू, द वन हु इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल फॉर यू, द वन हु इनकरेजेस यू. एक मोमेंट के लिए सोचना, डोंट यू थिंक मनी हैज डन ऑल इट्स जॉब ऑफ बीइंग अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, don't you think money has always been available for you from your birth time to this point? जब तक आप मुझे सुन रहे हो, जब आप छोटे बच्चे थे, जब आपने पैदा ही लिया था, जब आपने जन्म ही लिया था, were you started doing your work उसी समय से to make sure that you are continuing with your life, you are surviving life? No, obviously not. You were provided a family, you were provided parents, you were provided a good home, you were provided food, you were provided everything to make sure you are living your life. And how was it possible? Because of money. So it made a lot of sense to me कि भाई वो पैसा जो मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो उस दिन से लेकर आज तक that is always available. Now second thing I thought about it, how money actually has supported me in various situations. वैसे तो money is supporting, just like as I told you now, money is supporting in all the situations in the life. But if you really want to have like good relationship, take out certain situations from your life जहाँ पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम में थे, किसी सिचुएशन में कुछ मुसीबत में थे. In that very problematic situation, how beautifully money actually helped you, how beautifully money supported you, and how things got worked out for you. Think out for all those situations, and then you will realize how money has been always supportive, just like a best friend. Then what does a best friend do? The best friend always encourages you. वो फ्रेंड जो आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो आपको हमेशा इनकरेज करता है, वो आपको हमेशा मोटिवेट करता है टू बिकम द बेटर वर्जन, टू बिकम द बेटर पर्सन. बेटर पर्सन. सेम विथ मनी. Money only comes to people, money only stays with people who have a lot of self-confidence, who have a lot of self-value, who are so much confident within themselves, who are doing their inner work, who are working towards their growth. जो लोग खुद की ग्रोथ में इन्वॉल्व हैं, जो अपनी आइडेंटिटी को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बना रहे हैं, the person who belongs a very strong self concept, strong identity, positive identity, their vibrations are always good, their confidence is always high, and most important, they are giving what they have been given gift by universe. Basically, आप अपने टैलेंट या स्किल को यूज करके जो भी सोसाइटी में आप हेल्प कर रहे हो, इन वॉट एवर कैपेसिटी you are able to do, you are doing all of that. You are using your talents to make some kind of product or service to make sure that people are getting help from your talent. Money is chasing you. Money always comes to these kind of people, and in this way money is showing that money just want you to be the best version, to be the improved version, to be the better version, just like your best friend telling you to become the best version of you. So I think I have just left one very beautiful point. So as a best friend, जो एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड की बहुत ही खासियत क्वालिटी होती है जो सबकी नहीं होती है, वो ये होता है कि दैट बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑलवेज लिसन्स टू यू क्वाइटली, है ना. हम अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को हर चीज़ बता देते हैं, हर चीज़ बोलते हैं. द सेम वे मनी लिसन्स टू यू थ्रू योर एनर्जी. मनी चुपचाप मनी बस आपसे बोल नहीं सकता फिजिकली, बट मनी कैचेज योर एनर्जी. मनी लिसन्स टू यू थ्रू योर एनर्जी. That's why it becomes important to have a check on your energy, what energy you are sending out to money. Whatever energy you are sending out to money will decide how you are going to get it back and how much you are going to get it back. So in all these aspects, money proves that money is my invisible best friend who is sitting just beside me. And one thing I really want to share, बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको इमेजिन करते ही ऐसा लगता है, एक फिगर इमेजिन करते ही कि 10 lakhs 20 lakhs, or whenever there is a money topic, they are thinking that money is something so far, बहुत दूर है. There is a certain figure which we want to achieve and that figure is like quite far from us. But no, money is something you should have as normal as just like a best friend besides you. Money is as normal as you. Money is as simple as you. Money is not some like huge mountain. Money is not like as complicated as any technical thing. Money is a very beautiful energy, yaar. Trust me, love money and money will love you back. Give a lot of respect and gratitude to money. Money आपके लिए मतलब आप जान दे देगा. That's why start experimenting. और ये जो मैंने अभी पॉइंट बताया कि इतना बड़ा जो हमने अपने दिमाग में सोच के रखा, इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ वन रीजन, दैट we have developed a lot of negative belief towards money. The moment you will start shifting beliefs around money, and then you will realize that money is not something like huge mountain Everest. No, money is just as normal as you sitting beside you like a best friend, always chilling with you, always enjoying with you, and always cheering up for you. I hope one of the points has made sense to you. I hope one of the point will give value to you. I want you guys to give me a feedback. What exactly was the point that did make sense to you, and which point you are going to implement in your life? And till my next video comes, till then, take care. Bye bye.